So, hello guys, welcome to my channel Origo Institute. So, in this video, we'll discuss about the servo motor. Okay, how you can run a servo motor with the block coding. Okay, you do not need to type your code here. Okay, we use block code. This is basically for the kids for class 3 to class 8 student. Okay, so just drag and drop block is available here. So we'll use the blocks for to run our server. Okay, so first of all, we will take our components from the list here. Okay, so for to run the servo motor, we'll use the Arduino board. So this is the Arduino microcontroller board, Arduino Uno version I am using here. Okay, and another thing we need, that is the servo motor. Okay, so this is one is the servo motor. So I want to rotate this, so you can rotate it from here. So just click on it. Okay, now place it here. Okay, so now two component we need for this project. One is Arduino board, microcontroller board, and the another is servo motor. Okay. So now first I want to say some details about the servo motor. Okay. So what is the servo motor is actually? Servo motor is basically a DC motor. Okay, but little bit difference because it's run on the PWM signal. Okay. So what is the PWM signal? PWM means pulse width modulation signal. Okay. You can see here in the DC motor there is only two terminals available. So we will connect the battery positive and negative here directly. Okay, then the motor will run. But in this case of the servo motor, this is little bit difference. What is the difference? You can see here there is three wires available in this picture. Three wires is available. Okay, so what is the name of this three wire? First I will know. I will tell you the name of this pins. Okay, so for the servo motor there are three wires available. The first is, you can see here, this is the ground means negative. Okay, so we'll connect the negative at this pin. Okay, now the next pin is power means the VCC. Okay, so we'll power the servo motor with the 5 volt power supply. Okay, so this is the positive and this is the negative. Okay, and this is the signal pin for the servo motor. Okay, so this is the signal pin means we'll connect it the signal pin with the PWM signal pin of the Arduino microcontroller board. Okay, so if I show you here, you can see here the total digital pin is available D0 to D13 means total 14. Okay, but here in the some pins you can see here just like 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, there is a symbol is available before the number. So these symbols are the PWM signal. Okay, so for to control the PWM device, just like the servo motor, we need to choose the pin from those pins. Okay, just like the 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so now we'll make our circuit first. Okay, now make the connection. Okay, so now this is the ground pin. Okay, so just click on it and connect it with the ground pin of the Arduino microcontroller board. Okay, this is the ground pin. Okay, now we'll connect the power of the servo motor with the 5 volt pin of the Arduino microcontroller board. Okay, so now click on it. Now the positive is also connected. So positive and negative both are connected with the servo motor. Okay, now we'll connect the signal pin with the microcontroller digital pin 5, 6 or 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I'm connecting it with pin number 9. This is also a PWM pin. Okay, so now our connection is complete. Now we'll write our code for this servo motor to run. Okay, so now click on the code here. You can see there is code is available. Okay, so click on the code and we'll use the block coding. Okay, so we'll remove it. Okay, now we'll write our code here. Okay, so for servo motor you can see the here different block is available. So here is the block that is for servo motor. Okay, so this is rotate servo on P. So this I will choose this block and drag it on the programming area. Okay, and attach it with the forward block. Okay, so what is this block actually mean? This block mean the rotate servo motor on pin. So we will select the pin in which pin will connect it our servo motor. So in this case where I am using here pin number digital pin 9 for our signal pin. Okay, so we'll change it 0 to 9. Okay, now change the degree of the rotation. If we want to change the degree, here already 0 degrees written here, so I want to move the servo motor from 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, so we'll write here 90 degree. Okay, so if you want you can set it to any degree at which angle you want to move your servo. Okay, now we'll set a little bit delay. Okay, so now click on the control. Okay, and select here wait and attach it with the block rotation on the servo pin. Okay, so now servo will rotate 90 degree and wait for 1 second, and then again I want that this servo will move to another angle, so I'll duplicate it and place it and rotate angle. I want to change the rotation angle, so it will be 45 degree. Okay, then again it will wait for 1 second. Okay, but and one thing is, at the beginning when I power the microcontroller board, I want that the our servo will be set to 0 degree. Okay, so how I do this? So click on the output and again choose this block rotate servo on pin 0 and attach it with the on start block. Okay, now change the pin here, which is our pin number 9 and 0 degree. Okay, so when I start the project, our servo will set to 0 degree, then it will run to 90 degree, and then it will run to 45 degree. Okay, now our code is complete. Okay, now we will run it and check it's working or not. Okay, okay, now click on the start simulation button here. Now you can see it's moving 90 degree and 45 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree. Okay, and stop it here, so it's come back to 0. Again I click on the start button, so it moving on 90 45 90 degree 45 degree. Okay, so that's mean our code is working properly. Okay, now stop it. Okay, so if you want to change the angle, you want to modify the angle. Okay, so just change this value from here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, thank you so much.